The cut and fill volume calculator determines earthwork volumes between two cross-sectional areas using the average end area method. Let's walk through the inputs. First, we have a unit system dropdown where you can select either Imperial, showing feet, square feet, and cubic feet, or metric, showing meters, square meters, and cubic meters. For this demonstration, I'm using Imperial units. Next, we enter cross-section area 1, labeled as A1, where you input the area of your first cross-section. Then cross-section area 2, labeled as A2, for your second cross-section area. Finally, we have station distance, shown as L, which is the distance between these two cross-sections. For our example, I'll enter 10 square feet for cross-section area 1, 10 square feet for cross-section area 2, and 10 feet for station distance. After clicking Calculate Volume, we get our results. The volume shows 100.0 cubic feet, which makes sense since we're averaging two 10 square foot areas over 10 feet. The volume type indicates this can be either cut or fill depending on your project context. The average area confirms 10.0 square feet, which is the average of our two input areas. This tool streamlines earthwork quantity calculations for grading projects. Find the link in the description below.